How's it going, guys?
Hi.
Are you guys still happy?
Yeah.
How was the first night?
It was good.
Okay. Did one of you find a spider? No, nothing. And I remember I sent our new spiders for them tonight.
Okay.
We have one in our bathtub.
Go Pumbaa!
In this group. So Reynard and I were chatting about it now. I think we're going to start with the vaccinations that you guys can shoot at the animals. We start with the calf, the cows up on the end of the wildlife. But Reynard does see a significant reduction in pneumonia cases, viral pneumonia cases, when he's using it. So we continue using it. Do you guys know BRD? Disease is super important in our cattle, birds and feedlots. We've got a very similar meat production system to you guys. You guys grow your cattle a bit longer because you guys are happier having a B carcass or even a C grade carcass. So you guys like more fat in your muscle. So you slaughter. Compared to last year, on the mount. Still good when you really just take this out to power position.
Okay.
On the bun, in the middle of the bun.
Okay, can I go?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
Okay, so half.
Okay. Feels a little nerve-wracking, but then once it goes, it feels good.
Okay.
Are you left-handed?
Yeah.
Okay.
And here, I'll switch gears. Oh, I'm a little high.
Nice job.
Can I pull up 4 and do 2 and 2? Or do I have to do separate?
Just drop 10 more. And then
You said 10? Oh.
Like the one with the head up next to that one?
in the bucket with orange tags. Your head's not up.
Yeah.
Okay, you can do that. Hey, just aim in the middle of your bin. Good job.
Nice.
How was it?
It was great. It was scary, but it was good.
Okay.
I like his gun a lot better than Maria's.
Because of the
Okay.
sound.
Yes, the sight is helpful.
Okay.
Sexta.
So how did it feel?
Good. I was nervous, but it was good.
Okay. And you?
Yeah, it was good. It was really fun. Windy.
Yeah, yeah.
Not helping.
Makes it a bit more difficult.
A little bit. The runner being good though. They keep coming back for food.
Didn't want to listen.
Don't reverse the way you're going. Oh, okay. Were you holding it one way? I was like holding its skin, and I was holding that needle, and then just like twisting it and not. Okay, Marie, coming to you for the vaccine. Okay. So, I guess the easiest. Okay.